The universe is filled with color. So said one of the greatest scientific minds of history, Sir Isaac Newton. As we go through life, we experience color without ever knowing how powerful its effects are on the way we think, feel, and act. Recall to mind a stunning sunset that takes your breath away, or how you smile at the sight of a rainbow after a thunderstorm. Perhaps you can remember how you gazed lovingly at a garden filled with beautiful, bright flowers. Or how you felt refreshed and invigorated at the sight of rolling hills of lush green grass. Researchers have been studying the importance of color for years and have found that color affects human behavior, mood, and influences perception. Understand how to use color to promote balance, harmony, healing, and realign your energies. Listen to mindful meditations, focusing on specific colors, and create art as you tap into the power of color and learn the art of feeling good.